We are pleased to show you the 2010 Dakota. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, trailer tow group, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power windows, power steering, tachometer, convenience group, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.